I am Kavitha from Sedu Institute of Technology in Karyapatti from second year IT department. Now we are going to see about the UDP, it means User Datagram Protocol. First point is, what is User Datagram Protocol? User Datagram Protocol provides just the multiplexer demultiplexer over the burst effort service model of the network. In fact, it does the little bit more. It will get to the shortly, so because it is operating over the best effort service, the UDP segment get lost, they can get duplicated, get delivered out of order. UTP, there's absolutely nothing to address any of this session. As mentioned earlier, it is a connectionless multiplexing demultiplexing. In other words, the UDP sender receiver do not exchange any information to establishing any connection. Then the each UDP segment handle independently of others. What is the use of UDP? In fact, there are quite a few reasons. The fact that is no connection establishment, which can add delay. Which I mean, for the example, start sending data at the transport layer. Both sender and receiver exchange some information to establish the connection. This connection establishment take up some time. When you don't have any connection establishment, as in UDP, you can say one time, for example, DNS uses UDP because the DNS packets are very few. Just to send a few packets, don't want to send additional packets to establishment. That will increase the DNS response time. Now the next point is no connection state at sender receiver. UDP server can support more clients. Small segment hunter, less overhead per packets. The next topic is UDP checksum. Checksum is used to detect error in transmitted segment. It is only detect error, not correct the error. In sending side, the segment means the sequence of the 16-bit integers numbers, binary numbers, including the header files. So sum of all the words in 16-bit integer, one's complement of this word. Segment content means addition of the segment content, and then this checksum value put in the UDP checksum field. Now the receiving side compute checksum of received segment. It means in the receiving side again take one's complement of the sum. Then if in that computed checksum value not equivalent, then it create a error, then it is equal to the checksum value, no error in the segment. The next one is checksum example. In this example, we have two 16-bit integer numbers. We are going to add the two integer number. After adding two number, we get remaining 1 bit. Again, the remaining 1 bit is added to the sum. After the result and output is here. Now the checksum procedure means one's complement over here. Likewise, this value we can put into checksum field at receiving side. Now we do the same procedure. This overflow bit added to the sum value. Answer result, now that checksum field value received at the receiving host, the sum with this receiver result, and calculate the sum. If any of the bit is 0, that is say that error introduced into packet segment. Is applications of UDP, a suitable protocol for multicasting because it supports packet switching. Due to packet switching property of UDP, that it supports packet switching, It is very suitable protocol for multicasting. The second applications of UDP is used for routing information protocol. So whenever receive a routing update information update, we can use UDP. We can also use UDP for real-time applications. Basically, the purpose of UDP is real-time application. Now and then NTP, DNS, BOOTP, DHCP, NNTP, RIP is under here the applications of UDP. UDP is also used in gaming and conferencing. Basically, these are the applications of UDP. Thank you.